ज्ञान बढ़ा. Hi bro.
Hello, bro. How are you?
That's a good bro. And you're looking so nice, so nice, and your chasma is so. That's a good.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Yes, yes, yes.
Bro, I
I
think
think
your
okay.
name is Banu Singh, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
Bro, are you from Punjab?
No, no, no. At this time, present in Delhi, bro.
But your hometown is Punjab, right?
No, 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 no. I belong to Bihar.
Bihar. But
I'm from
see,
belong. I from belong to Bihar.
okay, okay, I understand. Bihar, Patna are more popular in Bangladesh because Mr. Khan sir lives in Patna. Ah,
Yes, 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 yes.
yes, brother.
So Khan said, yes,
But
yes.
but Singh is most popular in Punjab.
No, no, no. Yes, yes, yes. You sometime in Punjab people title in Singh, okay,
Yeah,
but sometimes in Bihar people in Rajput caste in caste,
Rajput.
okay. Yes, yes, Rajput caste. So all Rajput caste name is surname is Singh, okay.
Okay,
But
Rajput
yes, yes,
Rajput means Singh, right?
yes, 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 Rajput.
Oh,
Yeah, yes, yes, bro.
brother.
But Rajput is all different types, like Chauhan,
Okay, okay, okay,
okay.
okay, okay.
Not one person is Singh, okay.
Okay, okay, I understand, I understand.
Rajput caste is a general caste in high level caste.
Okay, I understand, brother. I
Yeah.
have no idea about it because I am from Bangladesh, and I have I am a little bit idea about your country's culture. I think seeing
Yes,
are
yes,
more
yes.
popular in Punjab, so I called you. Are you from?
Yes, yes, yeah. You right. Yes, bro. You are right. Say in this
Okay,
time, okay.
okay, okay,
You yes. Many Punjab people in Sikh in the used in surname in Singh.
Singh. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Brother, what is your
Yes, brother.
profession? What is your profession?
Bro, my brother is my profession is finance, okay, and
Finance.
I love them. Yes, yes, I love them. I love them in this work in finance sector because finance sector is so good, okay,
Okay,
in
it's about it's a
worldwide to know knowledge how to geopolitical in works in
yes,
this
yes.
economics
Finance,
and
finance and
economics you
geopolitics
learn.
are more related.
Yes, 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 bro. Yes, yes. Geopolitical is and one news. So finance sector is a good and bad rate. Only
Okay,
one news.
you are very good
Geopolitical is the
person.
most.
You are better than other Indian person. You are very good. Nice to meet you. Nice to talk to you, brother.
Yes, yes, brother. I love you,
Okay,
bro.
okay. Love you too.